Mamon. Today, these 17 trucks are competing for a challenge. Let me introduce them. And this monster truck is called Sriracha Hot Chili Sauce. As you see, we've got this, the Hot Wheels logo over there and the name. And so the Hot Wheels monster truck logo too. It's kind of small so you won't notice it. And there we've got the logo of the restaurant and this thing. And now in the top there's absolutely nothing. And the hood, yeah, we've got the, as I told you. And in the right side it has the same thing in the what you call this, the left side, but facing and then in the back we see there are Chinese words. This means this is a Chinese restaurant. And then we've got these green out beads. You see these green out beads and the maroon rims. And then in the chassis we've got the, yeah, you know, the chrome. It looks chrome. That's all I know about that monster truck. And now this next monster truck is the Wonder Woman, a DC superhero monster truck. First we're gonna start with the back, and you see this is the golden rope as what Wonder Woman uses. And in the top there's also nothing. But in the hood, I don't know what this thing is, but it's a pattern, I think. And then now we got the W, which stands for Wonder, but it only says W, so it's just Wonder, I think. And then in the back we can also see the very small W thing, if you can notice it. And then over here we have the name of it, just like in the right side, Wonder Woman. And has the same thing at the right side. And you know, yeah, the chassis is also chrome. And there's nothing at the, there's no out beads. And now this is Hot Wheels Firestorm. I don't know if you can notice it or not. This is the golden version of it. So as you see, that is the exhaust and the spoiler. It's like a racing car out of a monster truck. And then we got the 68, but you cannot see it. But the Hot Wheels logo, it's over here. And then everything over here is golden, and so are the chassis. And then over here we got this ring and this line, and this thing says 68, but you cannot see it. And in the hood it says 50th anniversary Hot Wheels. And it says the Hot Wheels here. And now this is the Monster Jam monster trucks. As you see, if I introduced all of these in the part 1. But we've got this Bad News Travels Fast. It's like a parody monster truck in the SpongeBob episode. You see, we have this one here in this helmet. And the design is like someone riding a bicycle with this Monster Jam logo in here. And in the hood, we can see there's, what happened to it? Okay, let's skip. So in the top, we can see there's a house. It looks there's purple fire in here, but it's not burning. And then in the back, we've got the sign pro. You lose to bad news. And the chassis is also chrome. it's like this, like that. Yeah. And then you go here and then smash the crash bus. And this is the crash bus. You see? Broke. Fixed. Broke. Fixed. You see? What makes it fixed is you gotta see what's under it. You see? It makes a connection. There's nothing trapping it so it can easily break. And this is the stand for the crash bus. And this is the meter how long you want it to go. Like example, 100. It's 100. And then you see. Yeah. And yeah. And we've also got these crash cars. This are the hard ones and this are the squishy ones. Wow, satisfying. Now we're gonna talk about the whole thing. So, I also forgot to tell you, we have this. Yeah, this. This is a very small sticker. It's like the Monster Jam crowd cheering. Yeah. Now, so let me test the whole thing. Now, this is Wonder Woman in this downhill run. You see, she's going to smash into the crash bus. See what happens? Be quiet. Wow! Awesome. So you see, the crash bus has two ways to use it. You see, you could use it for your custom freestyle if you want to, or maybe you could use it for like a challenge. And now we got sriracha hot chili sauce reforming this next one. So you see, it's kind of bigger. I'll fix it up like this. But it didn't crack. So disqualified, I think. Now, this is the disqualified spot and this is the winner spot. Now we're gonna go to the lucky monster truck because it's golden. Golden means lucky. Let's see if it's right. Disqualified. Okay. Why did I hear before? Okay. Ah! And now we got the Star Wars characters. Yeah. Oh! they're always getting better at this. I'm so surprised. Disqualified. Now we're going to use the Monster Jam monster trucks. You see, these are all the ones. So, start off, we're going to double decker. Double decker's too big to fit in this, but I'm sure he'll do it. It's because I'm correct. We've got the Gravedigger, the legendary monster truck. So, he went through it. Now it's bad news travels fast. If he says it's fast, it's fast. Let's see. Okay, let's see what he can. He went through it. Okay, now that we put it there, it would be a lot easier. So, okay, this doesn't fit either. Whatever, let's go. He went through it and then it smashed broken by the air. You know what I want to put? That's contrast version of the dragon. Max contrast. It's because it's white and black. Max contrast. Okay. Now that's a real smash. We've also squishy. It's like the same height as the yellow car. Sometimes it's too hard. Now that's squishy. Now you see, this is the same like these. These are the two alike. So this is the orange car. You see, it's also hard. It's just like the same as the red car. Like they're both the same of how hard they is, and it's so hard to crush. It's not even that squishy. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. And now the crash bus. You see, we have the Monster Jam logo, so maybe you could call it Monster Jam Crash Bus or maybe Crash Bus only. You see, when we tested this downhill ramp, the crash bus is smashed. So it kind of works like so. It's either like crashing open. It's like okay, I'm try harder. As you see, it's now crashed. Broken. Anytime you want to test it again, just do this. Now that's all of my part 2 of the Monster Truck collection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below with how you love it or not about this video. See you next video. Bye.